And so she watched while they drank, drunk, high, enjoying what they couldn't understand at all. And she watched them sober and around. Yeah, she mentioned with a look, a smile, a sideways glance in my direction, a bird with a Mr. Rogers complexion, the right equipment he liked all.